How to fix Microsoft Edge not opening on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get Edge launching properly again on your PC. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on Task Manager. From there, look for any Microsoft Edge processes still running in the list. At this point, right-click on each Edge process and click on End Task to fully close everything Edge-related. After that, try reopening Edge and check if it launches now. From there, if Edge is still not opening, click on the Start button and go to Settings. In the next step, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. From there, search for Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots next to it. Once done, click on Advanced Options. Following this, scroll down and click on Repair to let Windows attempt to fix Edge automatically. From here, try opening Edge again after the repair completes. At this stage, if it is still not opening, go back to Advanced Options for Edge. From there, click on Reset to restore Edge to its default settings. Keep in mind, this will clear your saved settings and reset your homepage. After this, restart your PC and try launching Edge once more. Keep in mind, since Edge is a built-in Windows system app, you cannot uninstall and reinstall it like a regular app, so if resetting does not work, the next step is to run a system file checker scan. Finally, right-click on the Start button, click on Windows PowerShell or Terminal, run it as administrator, type in sfc/scan now, press Enter, and restart your PC to check if Edge is now opening correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Microsoft Edge not opening on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.